I've got one salad bowl roughed out. Now it's time to make another one for the match set. For the first step, I'm going to use an adze to rough out the inside of the bowl. I generally don't secure the block to anything during this period because it's nice to be able to move it around. Alright, so now that we've gotten this far, we need to make sure that we're not getting too deep. So what I've made here is just a little stick that represents about a 1/4 inch less than the depth of the wood. And I'm just going to see where we are, see how much farther we need to go. Looks like we're about maybe a little over a 1/4 inch from the stick, which is about 1/2 inch from the bottom. So I have a bit to go, but I need to be slowing down a little bit. That's about all we're going to do with the adze. Time to switch to the gouge. Inside's all roughed out. Let's get to the outside.